Hi, in this video we are going to see about microwave ovens. Outline. Every era has contributed its own idea and convenience to the kitchen, from the open stove to the closed one, from wood to oil, coal, electricity and gas. And now the age of microwave ovens is here. Furthermore, microwave ovens were considered a luxury. For a long time, people considered that microwave ovens were used for reheating food only. But as the pace of modern life has got faster and busier by day, microwave cooking has provided and proved extremely helpful in the efficient pre-preparation of daily food in the shortest possible time. Microwaves. A microwave is a signal that has a wavelength of 1 foot or less. This converts to a frequency of 984 MHz, so all frequency above 1000 MHz are considered microwaves. The frequencies immediately below this border are considered ultra high frequencies. The upper end of the microwave range contains the light frequencies about 10 power 15 Hz. However, because electronic transmission is so closely geared to half wavelength devices, the practical upper limit is about 300 GHz, where one wavelength is about 0.04 inch. Smaller devices are being made, but their power handling abilities are also micro. Microwaves enter the cooking area through opening inside the oven. A turntable or tray is located at the bottom of the oven. Microwaves cannot pass through the metal walls of the oven, but they can penetrate such material as glass, porcelain, and paper, the material out of which microwave safe cookware is constructed. Microwaves do not heat cookware, though cooking vessels will eventually get hot from the heat generated by the food. 4 concave reflectors are located on the left and back sides to concentrate the microwave energy on the food. Instead of hot microwave ovens, the wave reflector system and dual wave emission system ensure that the food is always uniformly cooked. Microwaves reflect off the metal components in the oven. Magnetron. The word magnetron is a conjunction of the word magnet and electrons and identifies one of the major component, a very powerful magnet. The second major component is a cylindrical copper block drilled and channeled as shown. The center opening is called the interaction chamber. The holes drilled around the outer edge have a diameter equal to 1/2 wavelength at the operating frequency and are called resonance chambers. Waveguides, a part of a microwave system that established the theory of operation for all of the other devices, is the interconnecting hardware called waveguide. The conductors of microwave energy constitute a departure from conventional cables in that they resemble a coaxial cable with the center conductor removed. This is possible only if the guide is larger than 1/2 of the length of the applied voltage wave. Thus, the waveguide size is directly related to frequency. The waveguide factors that deserve attention are attenuation losses per unit length, size selection, coupling methods, guide impedance, and power handling ability. By transforming microwaves into 3D waves, the system ensures that every inch of food being cooked immersed in 3D microwaves. Microwaves transformed into 3-dimensional waves come out of specially designed waveguides. The block diagram of microwave oven is shown in this figure. There is yet another interlock across the power supply line. It normally remains open. If the door alignment is not correct, it will be activated, putting a short circuit across the line and making the fuse to melt. Thus, the microwave oven is a fail-safe device. The voltage induced in the secondary winding is about 2000 volt at 250 milliamps for normal domestic ovens. A half-wave doubler configuration is used for the rectifier with a peak inverse voltage of about 12,000 volt. One end of the diode is connected to the chase. The bleeder capacitor should always be discharged before touching anything inside when the cover is removed. The high value bleeder resistor is slow to discharge. Further, it may be open. The controller is a microprocessor chip with a clock. It is activated by keypad switches and sets the cooking time. It senses the temperature, moisture, sets the power level and runs the display. There are three power levels. For high, the microwave generator remains on continuously. For medium, it remains on for 10 seconds and off for 10 seconds. For low, it remains on for 5 seconds and off for 15 seconds. The controller activates microwave generator using either a relay or a triac. LCD timer with alarm. Most microwave oven features at least one timer with an alarm. Older appliances used mechanical timers, but modern microwave ovens and cooking ranges features electronic timers using digital circuitry. The concept of a timer is a sketch. In this system, the keypad is the input and both the digital display and alarm buzzer are the output devices. The processing and storage of data occurs within the digital circuits block. Single chip controller. Microcontrollers and microcomputers, because they use a microprocessor chip as the CPU, but they are much smaller than general purpose microcomputers because the input output devices they normally uses are much smaller. In fact, some of the input output devices as well as memory are usually right on the same chip as the microprocessor. The single chip microcontrollers are employed in a wide variety of controller applications such as appliance control, metalworking machines, VCRs, automated teller machines, photocopiers, automobile ignition systems, anti-lock brakes, medical instrumentations, and much more. This is a single chip microcontroller block diagram. Types of microwave oven. There are two main types of microwave ovens in the market. The first type is cooks by microwaves only, while the second is a microwave convention oven, which is in fact a combination of ovens. While microwave ovens remain popular, there is now a great demand for combination ovens also. Most food cook wonderfully well by the moist cook method in microwave oven, but certain food requires the dry heat produced in normal conventional ovens to turn it crisp and brown. This is when the second type of oven helps. Hence, some of the latest models have a combination of microwave and conventional ovens called the combo mode of cooking, where the food automatically cooks by means of microwaves and the crisps by conventional methods. Feature diagrams. Heating through microwaves has the following advantages over conventional electric heating systems. Quicker heating saves times, system is very clean, preserves natural flavors, retains most of the nutrients, enhances the color and texture of food. System can be combined with a conventional heating process. These are some of the appliances used in microwave ovens. This slide shows the wire instructions and how to take special care in the microwaves ovens after cooking food. How to take the metal rack and how to carry the metal rack is shown in this slide. Thank you.